So this is marking out the kitchen for the units to make sure the units go where we want them to go. And we've marked out the wall. Now we're just putting this tape on so we can see it and stand back and plan to make sure that this is electrical tape, which is not sticking to, it's not supposed to be used like this. It's all we got. We went out yesterday and we couldn't get any Scotch tape in different colours like this, so we're going to make do with this. It's just to give us a marker so we can stand here and have a look and say, yeah, that looks good, or we've got a problem there, like up above, which you can't see at the moment. We've got a problem with the vent pipe, which we've marked up there, and the only way we can actually get the vent pipe, because it comes through the wall, to make sure it goes onto the vent is to mark it, because the hole through the wall is not the hole that we can use. We can't use that hole. You have to move the vent, and to do that we need to know where it's got to go. And as soon as I've done this, I will, that's close enough. That's close enough. I'll put a piece of tape just there before it falls off. That's okay. To hold that. And then we'll cut this just there. Okay, that's good. And we'll stick this on the wall. If this was electrical, it would be good, but it's not. It's just right. So up here,